So children, here now I have a basket, okay, and in this basket I have 4 eggs kept. How many eggs are there? Just count 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there were 4 eggs kept in this basket. Now, suddenly what happened? One of the eggs broke down. It fell down and it broke. It got cracked. So, how many are left in the basket now? Can you count and tell me? Just count and tell. It's 1, 2 and 3. So, there are only 3 eggs which is left in the basket. Right. So, here what did I say, children? You need to put a minus sign and you need to put an equal to. So, this minus is called as take away. Take away. Okay. So, shall we do it with one more example? Now, there was a plant which had 6 leaves in it. Okay. Now, one fine day, what happened is, its leaf fell down. There was a strong wind and the leaves fell down. 2 leaves were fallen down. So, how many were left together? What was the number of leaves which was balanced there? It's 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, there are only 4 leaves which is left on this particular stem. Right. So, how will I write? 6 minus 2 is equals to 4. Is it clear, children? Is it interesting to learn? Shall we do it with one more example? Now, I have, say, 5 balloons with me. Okay, different color balloons are there, right? Yes, so now I have 5 balloons with me. Suddenly, 2 of them broke. So, what is the balance left with me now? It is only 3. So, shall we draw and see? So, as I said that there were 5 balloons and now the 2 balloons, they broke. Right. So, what is the balance left? How will you write? 5 minus, what is the bursted balloon, children? It is 2. So, what is the remaining balance with me? 1, 2 and 3. So, there are only 3 balloons left with me. So, is the concept of takeaway clear, children? Did you understand? Shall we do with further examples? Okay, fine. So, children, now I will introduce you with the frequent used terms which we used often in subtraction. Okay. Now, see here. This is a basket, okay, where I have few strawberries kept. So, how many strawberries are there? There are 1, 2, 3 and 4 strawberries. So, I will write here from, what is the number? 4. Okay, which means that there are 4 strawberries in this particular bowl. Now, suddenly a small little child comes in and she takes 1 strawberry away from this lot. Okay, so she takes this particular strawberry away. Okay, So how much strawberry did she take away? What is the number, children? It is number 1. So, what is the remaining strawberries in this particular basket? What is the left? Count and tell me. It's 1, 2 and 3. So, what did we learn here? We learned the new concepts from. From means what is the total value of that particular number. So, here there were 4 strawberries in this particular bowl and 1 was taken away, which means one particular strawberry was missing from this lot. One child came and she took away, which means that we will be using the minus symbol. Okay. And what is the balance left? It is 1, 2 and 3. So, whatever answer is remaining, we will denote as left. Is it clear, children? So, shall we do with one more example? So, here in the next example, we will be using the different alternative term. Okay. So, now in this particular tree, there were 4 birds sitting. Okay. So, what is the total here? From, what is the number, children? It is 4. Now, from this tree, 2 birds fly away. So, what is the number here, children? It is 2. So, what is the remaining birds which is sitting still on the tree? It is 1 and 2. So, the answer is, the left answer is 2. So, in the first one we use the term take away and in the second one we use the term fly away. But in both the cases, the number is getting reduced, okay, which means that we will be subtracting it from the first number. Okay, shall we do the next one? Now here there are few children who are playing in the park. Okay, so how many children are there? One, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So, what number will we write here from? 5. Okay. Now, suddenly these children feel very tired and they said we want to go home. Okay. So, they went away. So, what is the term used here? Go away, because they are going back home. They were playing here. These two children said that I am very tired. So, they are going. So, what is the number here? 2. So, what is the number left? What is the number of children who are playing still now with each other? One, 2 and 3. So, what will come in left? 3. Is it clear, children? Are you able to understand? Yes. So, what is the new concept which I have used here? New term which I have used here? It is go away. Okay.